Today, the whole church honors a very significant person in our Catholic Christian faith, Saint Mark the Evangelist. Based on our study in biblical theology, the Gospel of Saint Mark is the oldest, the first to be written. Compared nila ni Luke, Matthew, and John. Mark, the Gospel of Mark, is the oldest. Mark, or Saint Mark, is a companion to Saint Paul in his journey towards Rome. Kuyog-kuyog, nakakuyog, kauban ni San Pablo. But Mark is a disciple of Saint Peter. Kuyog niya ang duha ka mga apostolis nga dagko sad kaig mga roles sa simbahan. Saint Mark is a companion of Saint Paul, but before becoming a companion, he was a disciple of Saint Peter. That's why the first reading intended for today's feast, katugyo gikuha, katugyo gigamit, katugyo atong gibasa, because na-mention ni Peter sa iyang sulat, angan nga Marcos, Saint Mark. And for today's for the first point of my reflection, how are we in being a companion to one another? Basin ako'y nahimo ba ka akong BI sa akong mga kauban? Bad influence? Or have I been a good and faithful companion? How are we with that? As we accompany others, as we accompany a fellow family member, accompany a friend, a classmate, a co-worker on a particular company, no? Have I been a good companion? Second, as we honor Saint Mark today, we also took the gospel reading from his gospel. And the lines here, this is the last chapter of his gospel. Go into the whole world and proclaim the gospel to every creature. Well quoted ni Saint Mark ang mga words ni Jesus. And for me, Saint Mark has lived these words of Jesus, proclaiming the gospel to every creature, not necessarily preaching, but through writing. He was able to write down, gi-archived, gilibro, gi-compile, mo yung pamaagi in proclaiming the gospel to every creature. Kuyog-kuyog raman to siya. Wahibaw scriptwriter gito siya. On the sidekick ra gito siya ni San Pablo o ni San Pedro. Pero naglingaw to siya, suwat niya yung compile, and in that way, he was able to proclaim God, Jesus, the gospel to every creature. Kumusta sa atong bahin? How do we proclaim the good news of God? Are we still willing to proclaim good news despite our not so good situations in life? despite the ongoing war, are we still willing to listen and proclaim good tidings? Sisters and brothers, to become a good companion, to be able to proclaim good news, if all by ourselves, makaluya, kapoy, sabot na kung good companion, di pa ta ma-appreciate. Good news, lainong pagsabot, lainong pag-interpret, kapoy. But let us learn from St. Mark, who begged for God's grace. In trying to live out as a good companion, Lord, tabangi ko, sustain me. As I proclaim good news, dili unta marites, good news gyud. Lord, make these words truly nga ang ako masangyaw, imong mensahe, dili ako. And I beg the Lord, if I have already spoken much, Lord, hinaot, kay baon na kumuhunong pod,